Buddhāvataṃsaka, the Flower Ornament Sutra. Chapter 1. The Wonderful Adornments of the Leaders of the Worlds. Brahma King, pleasing ocean sound, found the door of liberation, of constant contemplation and investigation of the inexhaustible truth. At that time, the great Brahma King Shikin, imbued with the spiritual power of the Buddha, surveyed all the celestial hosts of the heavens of Brahma bodies, Brahma assistants, Brahma masses, and great Brahmas, and said in verse, "The Buddha body is pure and always tranquil. The radiance of its light extends throughout the worlds, signless, patternless, without images. Like clouds in the sky, thus it is seen." This realm of concentration of the Buddha body cannot be assessed by any sentient being. It shows them inconceivable expedient doors. This is the enlightenment of wisdom light. The ocean of teachings, numerous as atoms in a Buddha land, are expounded in a single word, all without remainder. They can be expounded this way for oceans of eons without ever being exhausted. This is the liberation of light of beneficent wisdom. The complete sound of the Buddhas is equal to the worlds. Sentient beings each obtain understanding according to their kind, yet there is no difference in the sound. Such is the understanding of the Brahma King, universal sound. The methods for entering enlightenment of the Buddhas of all times are all apparent in the Buddha body. This is the liberation of sound of freedom. The activities of all sentient beings are different. According to the causes, the effects are various. In this way do the Buddhas appear in the world. Silent light can understand this. Master of countless media of teaching, civilizing sentient beings everywhere in all quarters, yet not making distinctions therein. Such is the realm of universal light. The Buddha body is like space, inexhaustible, formless, unhindered. It pervades the 10 directions. All of its accommodational manifestations are like conjurations. Sound of magical displays understands this way. The appearances of the Buddha body are boundless, and so are the knowledge, wisdom, and voice. Being in the world, manifesting form, yet without attachment, shining light has entered this door.